Yo, do you even lift, bro? Bro, do you even lift?
Takedown.com.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. And today, it's a good day. It's a good day. So, what's the Tuesday? Yesterday I passed my test. I can legally ride the bike. I'm hyped. I feel like $1 million. Let's go! All right, so some updates. So, we got the wing done. I got it paint matched. Actually, not to be whatever, I painted it myself. She didn't come out too shabby. The clear's got to be touched up a little bit, but it's kind of hard to see on camera. It came out really good. I got that paint matched and ready. And then back here for the bike, we got something good. Got another piece of the puzzle. Oh yeah, you see that? Got the fresh seats. Gonna be looking good. Oh hell yeah. It looks so much better. Trying to get some of them red accents in there. And then in a couple days I'll be dropping off the tank and fender and whatever else I feel is like necessary to paint white. I'm gonna do those white. A lot of the engine. What am I saying? Oh my god, I can't talk this morning. It's early. Get these wheels off, get those powder coated so they're looking a little nicer. But all right, for now, enough talking. Let's go for a first ride because I'm hyped. So I rode home yesterday. It was only like a 10-minute ride and I was just trying to get it here. I was just kind of a little bit, what do you call that? I don't know. You're just like a little too excited. So I was a little shaky, but we're good now. I'm just excited, bro. Let's go, all right? Running the chest mount today, guys. I don't have a proper mount for my helmet yet because I want to get it mounted on the side here and then have the mic adapter mounted and get it mic'd up and everything. So until then, for today, we'll run the chest mount.
What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel.
Let's go.
Do that thing where you're like this. You like have your eyes all close, and then you're like, "What's up, boys?"
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Doing the big wang. Ooh, shit. All right, so I got it all cut and polished, looking pretty good. I'll do some touch-ups and ceramic coat once we get on the car. Our little half moon all taped up here. We're gonna get this cut and polished today after we get the wing mounted on. All right, we got everything taped up in the back. So let's dive right into this. Yoink. What? We got some clean looking mounting hardware. Bada bing, bada boom. What we need to drill our holes for this. Let's mount up what we got here. Definitely should have drilled this before I painted it, but we'll ignore that. Check to see if it fits. Of course not. Perfect.
With the kayak, and this time we won't even put the kayaks in. And over at the pond I want to go to, we're not putting kayaks in. Dude, the place I want to go fishing is...
Alright, got the car moved, got everything drilled up, I think. Should probably double check, make sure these fit. Bada bing, like so. That looks dope. Do the scary part and drill into my fucking car. Alright, well, I feel like this is just gonna suck no matter how I do it, so let's just do it. Why can't anything just be easy? Where did I just run into a problem? Because I'm an idiot. So you go and you drill into here, but this is right about there, and there's obviously no room in the wing right there because it's flush with the car. So the sandwich plate isn't going to sit on the back of it, so I'm going to have to use self-tappers, and now I need to go to the store and buy self-tappers. So that's pretty neat. God, the fuck sucks. It sucks because I wanted to use this hardware, but I guess I could still use these. Could probably still use the plates. Well, that's neat. I am. ASMR, baby.
Not the fucking ASMR part.
ASMR. Oh, yeah. Ooh, Mr. Daniel. Alrighty, boys. So I had to ride to the store in the rain because it was pouring out. So, got the right screws now. Got some silicone to put in there so it's relatively waterproof, and I can still reuse these.
Thank you.
In my head, I heard entering my butt inside of your dick. That's what my head heard.
My dick must
Later, after reviewing the footage, that's not what happened.
My dick hole must be wider than a calf.
Golly, is that wide? So, anyway, we can reuse the little hats for the bolts. Wait, hold on. Let me figure out my life here. I'm gonna use these because I got self-tappers, so it'll just go right into the wing. And I'll silicone it so no water gets in there, and it'll look like that, which isn't the best thing in the world, but it'll be alright. Alright, well, I got 3 of them, so we'll put them in a tiny little bit. This is going to be the most professionally installed wing you'll ever see. Go nice and slow. The edge. Let's go. Finished product, boys. Let's go. Looks sick. Pretty good little accent on it. Looks good. Still was able to use the top plate, the little hats, so it came out pretty good. It looks super clean. Just gotta clean it up, get all the shavings out of here, but overall I'm pretty happy. Update, I finally found some wheels. My friend Cole ended up, he's switching up his setup, so he's getting rid of his F1Rs, and I will wait to tell you what they look like till I get them, because he's waiting until he orders them. We're trying to get both the cars like somewhat ready for a Euro build. I'm excited, I keep forgetting what I'm saying. Until we get them. So he's waiting for his to ship, and as soon as his ship, he's gonna swap them over, swap the tires, and then give them to me, and then I'm gonna buy some tires in the next couple of days. See what I can find, and then we'll get those swapped over. Coilovers are on back order, so that really sucks a lot. So we're waiting on coilovers for a while. I might just end up getting a set of lowering springs, just something to get it like stance-wise looking a little bit better. But other than that, so that's where that's at. I might order the lowering springs tonight or tomorrow. They're only $200, so you might as well. And we'll do that. Get the wing on. Where we at? Oh, we still gotta do. We still got shit to do, boys. We ain't done. Still gotta get this baby cleaned up. Oh yeah. See how it's off? Clear coat on the cars, obviously, right? And this needs to be touched up. So we'll do that. Just like that. We got the front looking good. Ooh, you almost can't even see it. Oh, sick. Get rid of these wheels next. Wing looking fresh. Sick. Oh yeah. Ooh, who this? Who this? Hell yeah. Alright. Watch it. Alrighty guys, that will wrap up this video. Just a quick little update. I want to get the wing on there. I've been waiting to do that for 2 weeks. I've had it sitting between waiting for it to get painted and waiting for the clear coat to cure so I could cut and polish. But finally got it on. It wasn't exactly how I wanted it to, but it looks really good, I think. For my first time putting any kind of like body panels on, I think it's not the worst thing I've ever seen. It probably could be better, probably could be worse. Other than that, I think that's it. So I'll catch you next time, bros. Peace.